Yeah, this is good.
So we're going to the grocery store. No, it doesn't because it's so fast. Yep. This is us. We're heading to the store. It's my brother.
What's up?
And his wifey, Kelsey. And cars right next to us. Yeah. This is a major snowstorm. I can't believe these people shoveled the snow. They're heroes.
You gotta get back in the house, man.
Yeah. Look at that.
I still want to do it.
Mountains of snow. This is fun snow to play in, though.
Yeah, the kids should be outside. I can't believe they play video games all day, man. I would have died for this.
This is, oh my God, this is the truck. It's buried. Oh my God. Do you need a shovel?
No.
You do. That is ridiculous. You know, when you watch the news and you see people are like, in this, no, you need shovels. Let's go back. Wilson, I have that giant shovel that man over there has. There's no way.
Did you bring the keys?
Did
No?
you?
I'll go get them. Where are they?
No.
Well, at least you have, we could throw the shovel in the back.
It's not a John Deere.
But I'm saying. I have that giant shovel. This is crazy. I'm never going to judge the news again. And I'm like, oh, the poor people and the snowstorm.
All you guys to do is this.
Back up.
You hear the
Just
river.
be careful because I think there's cars buried up there.
Brother's running.
I'll take care of the keys while you're doing this.
Oh. Why is this a good idea to go to the store? All right, I'm going to stop taping. Snowstorm in Montreal. Jonella!
No, you can't use that, eh? That video.
Why?
Be careful, shoot.
We can't.
Oops. Oops. I feel sorry for the people who have to deliver.
We must have found.
Did you use shovel?
Oh,
Wow.
all this? If we lost a key, fucked.
Time to get some shovels. Time to get some shovels.
I'm telling you,